How to create a PURL for your Blackboard course shell. First off, what is a PURL? PURL stands for Persistent Uniform Resource Locator. A PURL is a special type of link that allows you to directly link a student to a subscription-based resource like a journal article or online book, both on or off campus. You might also see or hear PURLs referred to as persistent URLs, persistent links, or permalinks. To make a PURL functional off-campus, you must add a prefix or proxy snippet to the front of the PURL. This prefix will cause students to be prompted for their Blazor ID and password so they can access the licensed resource remotely. For electronic resources you find through the Sterne Library website, you can use this first prefix. For those you find through the Lister Hill Library website, you will use the second prefix. Note the equal sign at the end of both prefixes. It is necessary for the link to work. Here's an example of a properly constructed PURL. It has the PURL prefix shown in red, followed by the PURL itself. This is the link you can paste into your Blackboard course shell. There are actually two types of PURLs. The first type is constructed using a PURL provided by the database that contains the document you want to link to. This is like the example I just showed you, so it requires two pieces of information: the PURL prefix plus the PURL from the database. In a minute, I will walk you through how to create this type of PURL. The second kind of PURL is constructed using a DOI, or Digital Object Identifier, for the given item you want to link to. Note that this type of PURL requires three pieces of information. DOIs can often be found in the database citation or on the full-text document itself. The type of PURL you'll need to create depends on what database the document you want to link to is from. To help you with all of these details, both UAB libraries have created these PURL help guides. The guides walk you through exactly how to create PURLs for specific electronic resources. Please contact a librarian if you have any trouble. Now I'll show you how to create a PURL for an article in the Academic Search Premier database. When combining the pieces of your PURL, it's best to use a program like Notepad if you're using Windows, or TextEdit if you're using a Mac. Programs like Word try to automatically generate the URL incorrectly, which often results in a non-functioning PURL. I've opened up Notepad and pasted in the Sterne Library prefix URL. Now all I need is the PURL for the specific item I want to link to. Let's say you want to link to this article on community health advisors. Click the PDF full-text link. On the right side of the screen, click the link image. As soon as you click this, the permalink or PURL will display at the top. Highlight and copy this link. Return to your Notepad or TextEdit file and paste this permalink after the PURL prefix. Remember to leave the equal sign at the end of the prefix. That's it. You've created a PURL that will work on and off campus. Before you paste a URL into your Blackboard course shell or syllabus, it's a good idea to test it from on and off campus to make sure it works. Once you've tested it, you can paste it into your course shell.